Hello everyone, welcome to Tutor for Maths. Now I am back with the main thing which you all were asking, that is timetable. Timetable kaho ya I have made a 5-week study plan. So this is, here is a list of all the chapters. So it is not basically for maths, the same strategy you can apply for other subjects also, and weekly, every week you have to apply same strategy to even science, the main subject science, social studies, English, whichever subjects you feel more difficult. Okay, so now let's begin with what we are going to have in this 5 weeks study plan. So firstly we have segregated कि किता divide कर ले सारा कुछ की 6 marks वाली केड़े है chapters, and I will be telling you about the mathematics and you have to take the same scenario for other subjects, right? So maths with साड़ी कुल केड़े what we have 2 chapters, rather 3 chapters, from which you will be getting 6 marks questions, and these chapters are carrying the maximum weightage of 20 marks. Okay, so this is a topic, these are the chapters which carry maximum weightage of 20 marks, and from both the chapters we will be getting 6 mark question, right, plus few 1 mark and other questions. Okay, so from the 6th chapter, 10th chapter and 14th chapter, so in first week, so our week today is 17. So first week I am talking about, that is from 18th January to 23rd January, Saturday. 6 days a week if I count. Sunday will be your self-assessment day, what you have learned in that week. So first week, that is going to start from tomorrow. So in that, what you are going to do is you have to concentrate on 3 chapters: class 10th board exam preparation, 6th, 10th and 14th, and you know all the important questions from these chapters, right? Majorly from 6 and 10 you will be getting a theorem, and from 14th chapter it is mean, median and mode. So this is, since it is carrying the main weightage, this is the maximum weightage of 20. So what I have done is basically I have categorized the complete your schedule, your complete syllabus into 20 marks chapters for each week. Okay, so by this you will be having less burden and more work, more output. Hanji. So in the first week, that is going to start tomorrow, what you will be starting with chapter 6, 10 and 14. So you will be doing daily theorems and mean, median, mode questions thoroughly, and all the 1 mark questions which are going to be asked from this. In this 1 week you will be doing 100% of these 3 chapters, means 6 marks, 2 marks if it is coming, and all those other things, small MCQs, fill in the blanks. You have to concentrate on everything. It means after week 1 you will be having 100% surety, 100% confidence for these 3 chapters. Okay, so once you have done this, we will be moving on to week number 2. So this is the 20 marks which was a straight away for week 1. So now next we have categorized this chapters according to 4 marks. So these carries 5 chapters from which 4 mark questions will be asked maximum. So this is the 4 marks plus 1 mark obviously is asked from each chapter except chapter number 9 and 11. So these will cover all the 4 marks as well as 2 marks also. So complete scenario of these chapters, 5 chapters, is 27. But in week 2, how we have to deal it? We have to start with chapter number 2 and chapter number 4 collectively. Okay, because it is of the polynomial and it is of the D method, discriminant method, where you have to solve the equations, right? We have to check whether the equation have a solution or not. So firstly, what you are doing in week 2 is concentrating firstly half time chapter number 2 and 4, which will carry 10 marks. Okay, including 1 mark, 2 mark and 4 mark question. From chapter 2 you will not be getting any 4 mark question, you will be getting 2 mark question, and from chapter 4 you will be having 4 mark question and 1 mark question. So chapter 2 and 4 done. Next 5, which is totally a different subject, different topic, AP series, and 11th construction completely. So these two are still interlinked and these two are independent. So in week 2 you will be doing 20 marks complete preparation from chapter number 2nd, 4th, 5th and 11th. Okay, so here again everything 1 mark, 2 mark, 4 marks from whatever the chapters. You can have a look on my video in which I have given the segregation of the marks from which chapter, or you can consider the blueprints from which you can have a scenario, complete details that from which chapter 2 marks are to be asked, from which chapter 4 marks are to be asked. So in week 2 you will be covering 4 chapters, 2nd, 4th, 5th and 11th, and till week 2, by the end of week 2, your preparation will be 40 marks complete. And when we say 40 marks, it means 40 marks guaranteed. Okay, prepare yourself in such a way that what you are doing is doing 100%. Okay, now moving with this, we have completed 40 marks, from which we have done 3 chapters, from which majority question is 4 marks, and 1 chapter including 2nd, which has 2 marks weightage, plus all the 1 mark questions. You can consider my 1 mark series, it will be very helpful. And even for 2 marks and 4 marks, you can have a help from that 4 mark important questions, as well as the board series which I am posting right now daily. So you can have a collaboration with that. Okay, so this week's end up on 2nd week ends up on 30th of January. So by 30th of January you are prepared with 40 marks out of 80. It means 50% work is done. Clear? So by the end of 2nd week you will be able to get 50% marks. Okay, moving on to 3rd week. In 3rd week, how we have categories. This is chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, and this is chapter number 9, the heights and distances, application of trigonometry. So both we will be doing in a single shot in week 3rd, which carries 10 marks. 6 and 4, 10. Then 13th chapter. In 13th chapter, hot shot questions are already asked, and I have provided you the series for that. You can consider even in 13th chapter, if you do all the questions that I have mentioned, 8-10 questions, 8 I guess maximum, so from which questions will definitely come. So 13th chapter, and then is 12th chapter, in which you will be getting 2 marks, right? 2 mark questions. So weightage of this chapter is 4. 1 question you will be getting of 2 mark and 2 question will be of 1 mark. So the total weightage is of 4 marks from this chapter. Area of sector, a length of arc. So this is covered in this. So 3rd week you will be getting 21 questions. And from the 9th chapter, most important 7 questions I have marked, and there is a series for that. Most important questions from chapter number 9 plus 2 more questions which were asked in model test paper as well as in the December exams. Do not quit any question from sample paper, model test paper which was provided by the board, plus the December exam which was asked, departmental exam. So do not miss any question from that. वो वाले पेपर्स ही बेटा बार बार तुसी रिवीजन करनी है, वो वाले क्वेश्चंस बिल्कुल छट के नहीं जाने. Like from the 9th chapter, few questions I have marked 7 important plus 1 tree falling, bending of tree, breaking of the tree. That question is also important. 8th chapter, you know, introduction. In this your deleted portion was complementary angles. 90 cycle of 90 was deleted. 13th chapter is guaranteed, that will be from my notes, most probably, and plus the board questions. And if you have a look at the board questions, majority are from the same only. Okay, so by the end of 3rd week, that is the date, let me mention you the date. By the end of 3rd week, that is by 6th of February. By 6th of February, you will be having a grip over 61% marks. 20, 20 and 21, that is 61% marks. And after that you are having your pre-board exams, right? So in that exams you can concentrate on these 4 chapters. These are very easy, very small. Weightage is more, but in this first chapter it's LCM and HCF. Third chapter I have given you the table A1 over A2, unique solution, intersecting lines, no solution, so all that. 15 chapter probability. So I will give a quick on this, hook on this, concentrate on 15 chapter probability. It's easy, very easy. Chapter number 7 distance formula and trisection वाले 2-3 questions हैं वो करने, ठीक है? So from this week 4 you can give a short, you have less time in this. So for this 19 marks, you can have a look on the board questions that were asked from these mainly chapters, ठीक है? So in the fifth week I will consider after your completion of your pre-boards, right? So in this fifth week, this is the fourth week, that is the fourth week comes in between your pre-boards, and same scenario you have to follow for your other subjects also. Like if you are having the science subject also, first week concentrate on the higher marks questions. Like in mathematics, higher marks is 6 marks. So I have given a full-fledged week to that 6 marks plus whatever it is asked. 1 mark questions are also asked. The first week give maximum weightage because you can give maximum time to that. And if you do 6 mark correctly, your score will automatically rise. Second week, more weightage to 4 marks plus include a chapter of 2 mark questions. So like I have done 4, 5 and 11. 4, 5 and 11. These are the chapters from 4 mark questions, and one second chapter I have included which is for the 2 marks. Third week is again 50-50. 11 and 13, 9 and 13, 4 marks, and 8 and 12, 2 marks. So here maximum weightage, here I have bifurcated with 75% to 25%, here 50-50%. Now that is the remaining and the easiest part which requires less time. So this was your weekly schedules. This is the 4th week. After you complete, in this 4-week whole syllabus is done. After this, the 5th week which you get after completing your pre-boards, because after that you will be getting your board exams, right? So in that you can have a recapitulation plus little doubts, little failures which we did in pre-board exams. You can have an overview and practice that more again. So 5th week is the crux, complete again revision. 5th week will be revision plus doubts, classes, right, and correction of mistakes. So by this you can bifurcate the whole syllabus into smaller parts and score much more. So this was the timetable which I guarantee 100%, 100% marks. Definitely, if you follow the steps, if you do everything by heart and consider it as this is your last day and tomorrow is your exam, always prepare like this, that this is your last day of preparation and tomorrow you have to just pop out with everything what you have learned, what you have maintained in your mind. So study like this, then you will never ever forget anything. Okay, so if you have any query, any doubt, have a look, note it down completely, put it on in your room. जिन्हें तुसी कहते ना सामने ताड़ी नज़र बिल्कुल डेली ओदे ते पैंदी होवे, ठीक है? सामने कोई कबड़ है, वॉल है, इन्हों ओदे ते एक चार्ट बना के लगाओ, ठीक है? एंड सब तो ऊपर की लिखना है 100% मार्क्स, ठीक है? डेफिनेटली यू विल गिफ्ट, डेफिनेटली तुहानू ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਣਗੇ ਨੰਬਰ. Clear? So that's all for the weekly plan. Not only for maths, do for other subjects also. Try to give 2 to 3 hours daily to all the major subjects. Okay? Because 10th board hai, every bit it's a lifetime सर्टिफिकेट, everyone asks how many mark किन्ने नंबर आए, so a lifetime study है, lifetime ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ certificate ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ, so please concentrate on it maximum. If you have any query on how to study from these chapters, कौन से चीज़ को पहले करें, even in any chapter, you can mention in the comment section, I will guide you. Thank you. All the best.